All right, guys. So happy Monday. Do yourself a favor and make sure that you are clicking in the pre-algebra Bitmoji just to see what today's stuff is going to look like. I'm going to open it up for you, and if you notice that we are on week 5, okay? It's October 5th. All right. So here is your Monday assignment. Okay. Don't forget to check in for attendance on Google Classroom. Okay, that's always going to be on Google Classroom on Monday. Okay, it'll be the top link. It's going to post tomorrow morning around 8 a.m. And you get checked for attendance for the day. All right, and if you notice, I have 2 teal links down here. Okay, I've got PEMDAS and writing variable expressions number 2. So if I hover over this link, I'm going to click over here, and it's going to take me right to that IXL assignment. Okay, I'm actually going to pop it up in here. Make sure that I'm signed in. Again, have your Chromebooks save your password for you. It's a lot easier. I'm going to sign in. All right, so this is actually the second one. Okay, write an expression for the sequence of operations described below. Subtract 4 from X, or from S, and then add T to the result. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring in my document camera window. And we're going to work on this together. Okay, you guys should all be able to see both my face and the window, plus this little document camera here. There we go, a little bit more light. Okay, subtract 4 from S, so S minus 4. And then add T to the result. Add the letter T. So you're going to go ahead and in your little box here, you're going to click in S minus 4 plus T. Okay, it says don't simplify any part of the expression. Click submit. Excellent, fantastic. Okay. So that is the second skill on that list. If you click back into the Bitmoji, we've got a little PEMDAS action. Okay, again, you're going to hover over that link. And this is a little bit of a practice one. Okay, if you notice, it's at 3 times 3 plus 3. I'll do that one here. 3 times 3 plus 3. And PEMDAS says that you definitely want to take care of your multiplication part first. So for here, you've got 9 plus 3. I bring these things down here. And I get 12. A really, really quick PEMDAS review. There is a little picture in the Bitmoji classroom. If you take a look here, there's the order of operations. They're all spelled out for you, but I will re-explain them real quick, just in case you want to hear my delightful voice on a Monday morning. Okay? So, again, PEMDAS is parentheses. I'll abbreviate it a little bit. Exponents. That's little tiny numbers here. Parentheses are the little brackets up here. Multiplication and division, you do those two together, and it always goes left to right the way that you read. And then add and subtract again. Use these two together, and you go from left to right. So that's a mini PEMDAS review. Don't forget, when you are using the IXL links, I would like you guys to be practicing on each IXL for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you get stuck, obviously, don't forget to text or call or email me on any Monday or whenever if you get stuck. Because if you're not getting it after 20 minutes, I don't want you guys to get frustrated. I would like you guys to get like 60%, maybe to 70% on the pre-algebra IXL, but the practice IXL, you guys should be able to fly through it pretty quickly, like at a 80 or 90%. But if you're not flying through it at an 80-90%, you might be stuck on something, okay? So definitely don't forget to call, text, or email me tomorrow morning. All right, guys, I will see you guys on Tuesday. Don't forget to do your work.